No, but the lady was there. She was cleaning his room. What? Cleaning his room.
You see whoever closed there is getting snot all over.
Oh, look at this. It's nasty.
Ew.
I don't have any idea. Good nasty.